So the US dollar is now pulling back to around the 103 area. Is it the right time to buy? Let's find out. Okay, so this is dollar index. You can see we had 2 days pullback and now we've got a bullish reversal bar on the 20 EM8. Am I going to buy it? I think it's a little too early. I think we could have, range around and drop a little bit lower and then go. It's not uncommon that it does that. So, first pullback is not ready, like here, the range for a little bit and break. So I think we're a bit too early just because I think index is still bullish. So I'm not eager to jump into buy dollar just yet. But however, end of the week or after middle of the week, I probably will be looking to buy the US dollar. All right. Euro is top on my list. Okay. The reason why I said that is you can see we are still in. Yeah, we got like, two reversal bar and from the bullish reversal bar. Now we've got a bearish bar. We could just range a little bit. I like to see it go a bit higher anyway to around the 108 area before I consider to sell euro. But it's top on my list to sell. All right. British pound, I said last week, haven't changed much actually yet. It's difficult at the moment. If it's above this 124 area, I can't really sell. Maybe a double top around the 126 area, I could consider to do aggressive sell. But again, I'm not big fans on that. Euro is top of my list to do that. Aussie, yeah, we do see a reversal bar. Well, it's like a mini high test, but I like to see it break higher just because I like to see index go a bit higher. So I like to see a bit of Aussie strength. And so it makes it difficult to trade. And also on Tuesday, if I go to Forex Factory, very useful website, you will see we have the Australian interest rate, decision on Tuesday, 5:30 in the morning UK. So it makes it unattractive to trade on Monday anyway. So let's see what it brings. It will set up the tone that whether the Fed will not drop, but pause the interest rate on the 14th of June, I believe, for the meeting. Very interesting to see on Tuesday. Keep an eye. Very useful website on Forex Factory. You can see all the we got on Wednesday 3 p.m. the Canadian dollar interest rate news. So it kind of like two pairs that I won't be really actively trading after the interest rate news anyway. So moving back into the chart, Kiwi is similar, but we do have a high test. But I do think we can pop a bit higher first. So if go back to this area around 62 reversal, I could be selling Kiwi on that. Again, with our recommended broker, it's very easy to set your alert through here. So around the 61.36. So go to alert through here. Price level 6136. Okay, sell price, so you're looking to sell. Boom. So that way you don't need to babysit. I never babysit on the chart anyway, right? Planning is the most important. So Sunday is the most important part. Dollar yen is on my list. I mean, yes, we do have a reversal bar, but I think we could go a little bit lower first. So in here, so I still think we are on this phase two, daily phase 2. So around the 138 area, I'll look to be a buyer, but not for a very long time. Okay, that's a particular reason for that, but I don't want to go into too much detail. It's from the commitment traders, might be a bit too advanced for you guys. Moving on to the commodity. Gold is tricky. Are we now going to break lower below this 1,900? I believe it's 30 or 40 area. Let me get you the exact prices. Yeah, see, 1,930. I'm not going to trade it through there, but if price breaks below, yes, I will look to be a seller of gold, maybe back to around the 1,800 area. Okay, in this area in the middle of the nowhere, so I'm not going to take any trade. Silver, on the other hand, yes, we saw a reversal bar on Friday, but I think we could pop a little bit higher first. Okay, so keep an eye around this area. Good price action. I'll try and time it at 24 to sell it back down to 21. So silver is top of my list actually, more bearish than gold to sell. All right, So that's all for us this week. I still want to be a dollar buyer and sell the silver, but need to be a bit more patient, okay? If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching.